This week we're mixing red paint, yellow paint, and water together to make a custom color. And we're going to visit the town of Hannibal, Missouri this week because it was in Hannibal, Missouri many years ago where actual fictional character Tom Sawyer once convinced his friends that it was so much fun to paint a fence that they should pay him for the right to paint the fence. And here's a photo of that actual fictional fence that still stands today in Hannibal. Standing next to the fence are some actual non-fictional characters who are going to help us reenact this week's problem. And here are some of our non-fictional characters getting to work painting the fence. Well, let's look at the original mixture. 25% of the 30 liters was red, so we compute 25% of 30 and we get 7.5 liters of red. 30% of the original 30 was yellow paint. 30% of 30 is 9, so 9 liters were yellow. And 45% of the original mixture was water. We compute that 45% of 30 is 13.5. So 13.5 liters was water. We take the three numbers that we just computed, add them back up to make sure that they all add up to 30. They do, and we feel real good about how we're doing on the problem so far. And then we realized that to get the actual custom color we want 5 more liters of yellow. So we add them, and that makes the total jump from 30 to 35 liters. And the amount of yellow goes from 9 to 14 liters, and the other two items, red and the water, remain unchanged. And then we realize that all we're really being asked about is the percent of yellow in the final mixture. Well, that's, of course, our new amount of yellow, 14, over the total of the paint so far, which is 35. 14 over 35 can be put in lowest terms, 2/5. 2/5, of course, can easily be converted into 0.4, the decimal for 4/10. And of course, 4/10, most of us know very quickly, that's the same as 40%. So 40% is our answer, the answer to this week's problem of the week.